Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term hotty toddy. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, hotty toddy is a cheerful, informal greeting used mainly by University of Mississippi fans. People use it when celebrating victories or showing school spirit. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Hotty toddy first showed up in the early 1900s as a rallying cry for Ole Miss fans. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among college football supporters. Now let's check out how to use hotty toddy in a sentence. Correct example 1. After the game, she shouted hotty toddy to celebrate the victory with friends. Correct example 2. Hey, hotty toddy, ready for the big game tonight? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said hotty toddy at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using hotty toddy right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Hotty toddy means a cheerful, informal greeting used mainly by University of Mississippi fans. It started in the early 1900s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with hotty toddy in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.